Hey everyone, we're going to do an unboxing of the Kemei KM-1995 hair clipper. I purchased this here in Thailand from Lazada Online and it cost 450 baht. That's including delivery, which is about $15 US. And here's the plastic box, and here's the instruction manual. You get the battery charger, some oil, 4 guards, and the clipper itself. And in case you're wondering, here's a close-up of the guards and their sizes. The number 1 is 1/8 inch 3 millimeters. The number 2 is 1/4 inch 6 millimeters. The number 3 is 3/8 inch 10 millimeters, and the number 4 is 1/2 inch 13 millimeters. Let's charge the battery. I'm thinking we have to wait till it gets to 100%. Oh, it just went to 100. That's interesting. It was sitting at 90 for a long time, and I just turned on the camera and it went to 100, so I guess it's 100%, and I'm now going to unplug it and I'm ready to give someone a haircut or get a haircut. Press the on-off button to turn it on. Press it one more time to go into turbo mode, and the last time we'll turn it off. Note that it also has a taper lever that retracts the blade, allowing you to cut at lengths in between the guard attachment lengths for a smoother look. I'm going to take off the protector guard and put on one of the hair clippers, the hair guards. Just kind of lift it and it goes into place, and there you go. My 11-year-old son is giving me a haircut, and as you can see, it's quite easy to use. We are using the number 4 blade guard. As it's the first time he's using a hair clipper, it's obviously not going to be a perfect haircut. However, I think with a bit of practice, this hair clipper will certainly do its job and allow you to give decent haircuts without having to go to a barber. I hope this gives you some idea of what the Kemei KM-1995 hair clipper is like and helps you decide if it's the right product for you. Please tick that like button and subscribe to my channel.